Hello, my name is Charlotte Flynn and I'm a part-time lecturer in Occupational Therapy at the University of East Anglia. I'm also in clinical practice a few days a week, and having this dual role provides me with the experience to draw upon to support the students through this virtual placement. During this virtual placement, one of my roles was as a long-arm educator to a group of 6 students, and this role aimed to mirror that of the clinical educator in practice. In the introductory week, I sent my group a welcome email outlining what they could expect from me and what I expected from them. There were formal methods of long-arm supervision set out which really helped the flow of the placement and kept everyone on track to meet the placement objectives. But it was also the informal support and guidance which was useful to the students, emulating the informal way educators give feedback on placement. If the students needed guidance or support, I could join them in online meetings or respond to the emails, generally guiding them through the written and verbal tasks for the authentic case studies. I did make sure that I set aside a little extra time each day for this, but I think the key words here are timely support, guidance and feedback. Between the 2 clinical weeks, I noticed a significant improvement in their skills in initial interviewing, SOAP note writing, setting SMART goals and prioritising patient problems. My group appreciated the differences in the communication skills required for each of the authentic case studies, and the students got to grips with translating the biopsychosocial model into real-time practice, and developing their understanding of the complexities within each of the case studies really focused them on person-centred care. I think this placement really helped them to adapt to working online, managing their time and to develop a new level of collaborative team working. Had time allowed, I would have liked them to be able to demonstrate more on further assessments in more detail, perhaps trying these virtually with the case studies. I would recommend this as a model of placement as an adjunct. The feedback from my group was really positive. They felt it helped with their confidence with communication, particularly in the initial interview skills, and they all highlighted how it helped them to hone their time management skills and to really understand the benefits of team working. In taking this further, we're using the evaluation to develop the virtual placement model of delivery and to influence curriculum provision and to disseminate our findings, which I'm very excited about.